Hey guys, this is Judy from Judita Nail Art. Welcome back to my channel, and today I have my weekly nail art tutorial video for you. For this week's Facebook group collab was poinsettias or evergreens, and I don't know why I can't find any of my designs that would even vaguely resemble a poinsettia, so I decided to go with the evergreen option. I do hope that you will like my nail art tutorial video. If you do, then please give me a thumbs up, and if you're new here or coming from the other channels that joined into today's collab, then welcome. I hope you will like what you see here, and if you do, then please also hit the subscribe button before you leave. As always, you will find all the details in the description box, so all the video links will be there. Definitely check it out, and at the end of my video you will also find all the pictures that were created for today's collab. I think that's it for my quick intro, but if you do have any questions, comments, please leave them for me in the comment section. And yeah, just keep watching the nail art tutorial portion. Thank you so much for being here today, and I will be back with some more soon. Thank you. Bye bye.